A very good morning everyone. Today I Jasprit Kaur of class plus 2E going to discuss about the two topics iron and steel industry and the cotton textile industry. So first let us discuss about the iron and steel industry. It forms the base of all other industries and are also known as basic industries because it provides raw material for the other industries such as machines, tools, etc. for the production of other goods and services. It is also known as heavy industries because it uses large quantity of the bulky raw material and its products are also very heavy. First, let us discuss how steel is obtained from the iron. First, iron is extracted from the iron ore by smelting in a blast furnace with carbon and limestone. The molten iron is cooled and molded to form pig iron, which is used for converting into steel by adding a strengthening material like manganese. Iron and steel plants, they are divided into two categories: large integrated steel plants and the mini steel plants. Large integrated steel plants, they are located close to the sources of the raw material like iron, coal, limestone, etc., or at the places where the inputs could be easily available, for example ports. These are expensive because it involves many processes of steel making from the raw materials. Mini steel plants, they are located close to the markets. They use scrap metal as the main input. They are cheaper than the integrated steel plants because only one step is involved in the production, that is steel making. So let's discuss where they are distributed around the world. They are distributed in the advanced countries of the world like USA, Europe and Asia. In USA, they are located in Pittsburgh, Great Lake region. In Europe, UK, Germany, France, Russia, and in Asia, they are located in Japan, China and India. So they involve the employment of the workers in many activities like in construction, in machines, equipment as a labor, in the transportation, etc. So the production of iron and steel plants in the major countries of the world are China, Japan, Russia, US and Germany, and the production comes in the crores like in China 131 crores, in Japan 80 crores, etc. Now let us discuss about the cotton textile industry. It requires good quality of cotton as the raw material. The three subsectors of the cotton textile industry are handloom, powerloom and the mill sectors. Handloom, it uses labor intensive technique. Small capital is involved. It involves spinning, weaving and finishing of the fabrics. Powerloom, it uses machines. It is less labor intensive and it produces more. Mill sectors, machines are used. It is capital intensive and produces fine cloth in a bulk. Now let's discuss about the production of these goods in the different states of the India like in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh and UP. They are the producers of the cotton for these cotton textile industries. In the world, it is distributed in India, China, USA, Pakistan, Egypt. These produces more than half of the world raw material. Europe accounts for nearly half of the cotton imports. Now, less developed countries with a cheap labor is gaining importance as cotton textile centers. Thank you.